Greetings, esteemed clients, esteemed subscribers. This is Ison company with you. In this video, we will review one of the best surveillance cameras from the Ison brand. The model is called Ison IP-XK-100PRO. This is a professional model, a TAN featuring zoom, a built-in microphone, the best sensor, the best processor, 5 megapixel resolution, PoE, WDR. Everything modern is included in this surveillance camera. Beforehand, I want to tell you that there are ready-made surveillance systems, Ison Moha Pro and Ison Moha. Ison Moha Pro are ready-made systems with 5 megapixels, Ison Moha with 4 megapixels. That is, they differ only in the resolution parameter. The difference in shooting quality is 20%. These are ready-made kits that include everything necessary for these cameras to operate. This includes a video recorder, cable, twisted pair with connectors, and all necessary mounting hardware. There is also a configuration with a hard drive, so it's a convenient option. Take it out of the box, plug it in, and everything works. The ready-made Ison Moha Pro systems are available in configurations for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 16, 20, 32, and 64 cameras. We have a detailed video review of the ready-made Ison Moha Pro and Ison Moha systems on our website and YouTube channel. Be sure to watch them if you are planning to purchase a ready-made kit consisting of several cameras of this model. So overall, it can be said that this camera is one of the best in principle, both across all parameters and positions. Only one model is better than it, which is the Ison MBA. It has 8 megapixels, everything else is the same, except for sound recording. Here the microphone is built in. In the MBA model, it has an 8 megapixel resolution, but the microphone connection is external. That is, there is a special connector there. And an external microphone is connected separately for all other parameters. This camera essentially has no analogs. It has the best night shooting possible up to 50 meters with the most modern and latest generation LED diodes. It features a 5x electronic zoom, which can be controlled remotely from a phone, tablet, or computer, and it also has an autofocus system, meaning the camera not only zooms in, but also focuses on the object. Why is zoom needed? The answer is quite simple. A camera with zoom can see 5 times farther than a similar camera without zoom. For surveillance cameras, the Ison XK-100PRO doesn't just have night infrared illumination, but a combined night IR LED illumination with built-in artificial intelligence. It can illuminate with standard infrared radiation, as well as in a combined mode, where upon detecting a person, LED lighting is activated, allowing for color night recording. You can choose in the settings how your cameras will illuminate with standard IR radiation, constantly with LED radiation, burst days, or in a combined mode with artificial intelligence where LED lighting is activated upon detecting a person or vehicle. Thanks to this technology, at night you will not only be able to see the vehicles themselves, but you will also be able to see the colors of these vehicles. This is something that is not available in standard surveillance cameras with regular IR shooting. You will also be able to see the color of the clothing of people who appear in the frame. This is also not available in standard surveillance cameras, and most importantly, you will be able to see vehicle license plates. The problem with regular surveillance cameras with standard IR shooting is that instead of the vehicle's license plate, you will see a white spot. This is because all vehicle license plates in all countries are covered with luminescent reflective paint. As a result, in standard IR illumination, such plates appear as just a white sheet. And with the technology built into these surveillance cameras, you will see not a white sheet, but the actual license plate of the vehicle during night shooting. This camera has PoE power, meaning the connection will be through a single cable via twisted pair, so there's no need to run a second cable for connection. One cable is sufficient. Here are the most modern technologies, such as WDR, a technology that enhances the quality of shooting in poor or improper lighting conditions. And I've told you many times that buying a surveillance camera without this technology is essentially money wasted, because wherever you place your surveillance camera, several times a day there will be situations where sunlight will hit the camera lens, or conversely a shadow will fall. And in regular surveillance cameras, without such technology, everything in the frame will become uninformative. That is, faces will be black, car license plates will be black, but here there is a technology that solves this problem. There is also 3D technology here, which is a technology that improves the quality of shooting under night vision conditions and of course the main parameters. It features a Sony matrix, which is what is inside. This is what 99% of the shooting quality, camera and surveillance depend on, and both its functionality and its durability. And it has the very latest processor, the latest generation MX, and it's an original Sony. The matrices are not copies, not replicas, not fakes from AliExpress. So here you get the very best 2K surveillance from everything available. The camera is outdoor, it withstands temperatures down to -60 degrees. It is dust and moisture resistant. Overall, the camera is versatile. It can be installed both indoors and outdoors. The camera supports up to 30 FPS in real time. So there is no typical problem like with a low frame rate in HD versions where the image is jerky, the image is blurred if cars are moving or a person is running. The camera also has built-in artificial intelligence. The camera supports motion-based recording. This is smart motion-based recording. You can adjust the motion sensor sensitivity here. You can set the sensor's activation area. This is convenient, for example, when a dog is running in the frame and you don't want the motion sensor to be triggered by it. Included with the camera are traditionally its box, mounting hardware, protective caps, and a manual with a template for mounting. If you have any questions about this camera, feel free to ask our managers. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, join our groups on vKontakte and Odnoklasniki so you don't miss a new video.